welcome to All About. I am still trying the new light. Anyway, I think this is the best that I'm going to be able to get it. I still see a lot of shine here, but if I don't, here in Texas, we have maybe 10 days of continuous rain every May, April sometimes. Right now we're in that. So if I turn on the lights up there, I look all the light here, and my windows, they don't give me any light. So I'm using this new light right in my face, and it's looking weird. But anyway, today we're gonna swatch R12. I started doing All Abouts on the numbers that were ending on 9 or 7, so I could actually show you like B99, B97, B95, something like that. But now I'm going to start using the lower numbers, like this one is R12, R11, R00, and it gives you such a soft combination. It also has to do with before my lighting was not the best, and I needed strong colors. Now my lighting is better, and so I can show you the exact color of a light, soft color. I know I mentioned this in every single one of my videos, but I wanted to say it here. Remember that, let's say you have three markers, R12, R11, and R00. We are underpainting with BG70. So we're gonna go by speed. BG70 is the fastest. R12, a little bit slower. R11, a little bit slower. And R00 is the slowest that we're gonna be using. Why? Because the longer your nib is touching the paper, the more ink is going to deposit. And we need them to blend. So when you put a lot of ink of, let's say, R12, and then you go really fast with R11 on top, it's not gonna deposit enough ink to blend. So you're gonna see the strikes. No. Strikes? No. It's gonna be this strikey strips, the flicks, all the flicks. So you're gonna be seeing the flicks. Now, if that's something you want, if that is what you wanted in your leaves and your flowers, I'm a botanical girl, I like flowers, then great. But what if you wanted something super smooth? The idea is for you to learn how to do something very smooth and something giving it the texture that you want. So if you want it really smooth, that's how we do it. Let's say 4 markers, fast, less fast, a little bit slower. Then the medium, which is gonna be R11, slower. And then R00 is gonna be the slowest. And then let it go. Don't go back with your markers. Let it go. Wait until the chemical reaction happens. So that's what I wanted to say this time. I'm Elena with VioletaInk.com, and we sell Copic Markers, refills, nibs, and Prismacolor pencils, open stock. Thank you. We are starting with R12. We're gonna start from the edge. This is R11. It's gonna go on top of it. R11 needs to be replaced. You know, not the ink, but the nib is very bendy, I guess. And that was R00. It's just perfect to combine. They're beautiful. This is BG70. We needed something very light, so R12 can actually cover it. That is R12. This is R11. And now we're gonna go on top of it with R00. Remember, this is gonna be the slowest speed. Now the bonus combination, it was really hard for me to do something this light, because I'm usually one of those that arrives and everybody knows about it. But so this is light and soft and It's beautiful, but very soft. That was BG70 on top of, and now on R12. This is YR31. And then on top of it, we're gonna go with YR20. And that's it. Beautiful combination. You don't have to stress that, oh, maybe it's not gonna match. It matches perfect. This is PC927 Light Peach. And you do have to go a few times with it. Layer it, layer it, layer it. It does have a lot of white, so you might have some residue in it. Just flick it away. That's it. And you go again. Don't forget to subscribe. I kind of forget to tell you that, guys, but I'm thinking if you are here, that means that you are subscribed. But then I realize that a lot of people watches the video and they're not subscribed. Anyway, that is the staining test. It moves, but it always going to leave that ring around the colorless blender. This is R12. We're flicking away from the fence. I did build a fence. This is R11. We're gonna go on top of it a little bit slower. The more the ink that we deposit into the paper, it's gonna be easier for it to blend. This is R00. And this is me trying not to take away the intensity of R12, and that's why I back blended, not going all the way to R12. This is BG70 on top of, no, I'm sorry, it was BG70 and now this is R12 on top of BG70. We are underpainting. And this is R00. For the bonus combination, we are going to use R12. We're building a fence and we're flicking away from the fence. Now we're going to go the other way. We're going to start on the other edge, which is YR31. And this is YR20. I am not exactly sure what is it that I was doing here, but I guess I wanted just the intensity on the top. And this is going to be underpainting, BG70. It has to be completely covered by R12. So make sure your flicks are a little bit longer than what you did with BG70. That was R12. And this is YR31 and now YR20. Now on the top wing, I see a little bit of flicks. You can just go back with it with on top of it with YR20. This is all about R12. The natural family combination is R12, R11, and R00. Underpainting with BG70. And the bonus combination is R12, YR20, and YR31. Thank you so much for watching. See you next week. Bye.